Lula. Lula. Oh, what's the matter? So this is my new office. Well, that's where I sit anyway. And there's a little munchkin up there that likes to sit and meow at me. Oh, it is not that bad. And rub her face all over the stocking where her presents are. Okay. So I sit down here and I look at the very important emails that people send out to me. And she sits up there and meows at me until I go play with her. It's pretty pathetic. Aren't you? You're pretty pathetic. Meow if you agree. She doesn't agree. Lula. Lula. Well, Elvis agrees. There's a butt shot for Erin. You can just see the tip of her ear. Oh, so sad.